It has been more than 2 months now, Mr. Chair, since the time when we requested a list of those projects completed by the DPWH involving asphalt, the solar lighting, canals, and everything, Mr. Chair. But until the present, they did not comply. We even talked to the NBI because they have the same predicament. They also requested before the DPWH, they even use our request in updating our request, Mr. Chair. But until the present, there were no lists submitted, Mr. Chair.
Apo Jason, recently I watched an interview of our Congressman Sandro Marcos. He said that if we find any anomalies in DBWH regarding District 1, we could tell him. So probably on our next session, you could draft a resolution addressed to him and for his help for us to get the list from
Yes,
the DPWH.
yes, Mr. Chair, but this is our predicament. We are an august body. We are performing government function, Mr. Chair. Part of it is to oversight, Mr. Chair, an oversight function. If the NBI, together with the City Council, could not request from a government agency like DPWH, and there is this law that whenever there is a written communication, the same should be acted within 15 days, could not be complied. So what is the reason why the DPWH refuses until now to submit for the last 3 years of all those accomplished projects or projects implemented by their office, Mr. Chair? It is true that we wanted good governance, but in doing so, we need first a copy of the list of the projects, Mr. Chair, in order to verify if indeed it was really completed. Because during the last time when I made a report, Mr. Chair, there were already ghost projects, but the only way that I could verify it is if they will submit a list of those completed projects, like what the national government is doing to the flood control, Mr. Chair. But unfortunately, it is not a flood control project that we are referring, Mr. Chair. With that, Mr. Chair, if there is no objection from the floor, Mr. Chair, with regards to the DPWH, Mr. Chair, that this will be referred to the Ombudsman, Mr. Chair, for their appropriate action, Mr. Chair. Like all our ancestors, Mr. Chair, we need to be brave. As to the DPWH, Mr. Chair, we've been requesting several times through the SP Secretary and through the NBI. So I believe there are already 4 instances when the SP Secretariat communicated with them whenever I would be making follow-ups with the SP Secretariat, Mr. Chair.
Being there is a motion that's been endorsed by Honorable Jason Pereira to elevate the matter pertaining to the requests of such projects of DPWH District 1 pertaining to Lawag City from the period of 2022 to 2025, and until now it's been several days since our request has not been complied. He wishes to elevate it to the Ombudsman for his proper perusal on
For
such
their
matter.
appropriate action, Mr. Chair.
For their appropriate action. Is there any objection na po?